Last period we see in subject of animal science and dairying paper first, chapter number third, the nutritive value of milk. And in nutritive value of milk also shows classification of milk constituents. Then today's period we see about detailed about the milk constituents. In milk constituents, number first, water. In milk, the average amount of water is present at about 87 percentage, and the water is one of the constituents in milk which varies in milk at about 84 to 89 percentage. Water act as continuous phase. Then number second constituents, total solids. Total solids are divided into milk fat and solid not fat. In milk fat is also called as butter fat. Milk fat is valuable constituents of milk. In milk, the flavor of milk is due to the milk fat. Then in milk fat contains a small amount of fat globules. These fat globules are surrounded by very thin film of proteins, and these proteins also. Then number second, milk proteins. Milk proteins are classified into four groups. Number first, casein. Casein is also called as major milk protein. Then globulin, albumin and other trace proteins. In these proteins, lactalbumin and lactoglobulin is also called as whey protein or whey protein. Then in exam point of view, we see about the detail about the constants of milk, like water. Water has average 87%. Milk has average 87% of water. The percentage of water is varies from 84 to 89%. Water act as continuous phase. Then number second constituents of milk, that is the total solids. In total solids, milk fat is also called as butter fat. Valuable constituents of milk is fat, and desirable flavor of milk is due to the milk fat. Fat exists in milk in the form of minute globules. Number of in minute globules in a true emulsion of the oil in water type of emulsion. Fat globules are dispersed phase. Each globule of fat is surrounded by very thin film of protein. This film maintains the stable emulsion of fat in milk. The film contains lecithin. The average size of fat globule varies from 2 to 5 micron. Chemically, milk fat is composed of number of glyceride esters of fatty acids. On hydrolysis of milk fat gives mixture of fatty acids and glycerides. The fat contains several fatty acids. They are given as below. Fatty acids are two types. Number first, soluble fatty acids. Soluble fatty acids are butyric, caproic, caprylic, and capric. These are soluble fatty acids. And insoluble fatty acids are lauric, myristic, palmitic, stearic, and oleic. These are insoluble fatty acids. Then number second, milk proteins. Milk protein is mostly complex organic substance. Milk proteins contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur, sometimes phosphorus. Milk proteins considerable amount of protein in milk protein is about 3%. Milk contains protein given as below. Number 4, milk proteins. Number first, casein. Major milk protein is called as casein. Then albumin and globulin. Lactalbumin and lactoglobulin are called as serum protein or whey protein. Then other trace proteins. Then number first, casein. Casein is called as major milk protein. Casein major milk protein. Casein is milk protein not found in blood but synthesis in milk. Casein is 80% of the total milk proteins. There is no other protein similar to casein. In pure form, casein is snow white in color and tasteless. It gives whiteness to milk. The milk contains casein with combination of calcium called as calcium caseinate. In milk, casein is colloidal in phase. Then albumin. Albumin in milk is about 18% of the total milk proteins. Chemically, it is called as lactalbumin. Lactalbumin in milk is nearly 0.5%. Albumin, like casein, get coagulated by heat. Globulin is present in very small quantity. It is about 0.05 to 0.075% of total protein. It is also called as lactoglobulin. Milk does not contain more than 0.1% globulin. Other trace proteins. Milk contains other trace proteins like fibrin and alcohol soluble proteins.